I, Dhirendra Jha, Principal, St. Xavier's School, Bhatparani, Devariya District, Uttar Pradesh. On behalf of the school management, teachers and staffs, a warm welcome to the Honorable IC members, Mr. Murugan Shah and other IC members, Manju Tiwari, ma'am. This is the main gate of our school campus. There are two gates to the campus. The small one. ये बोला ना. Now we are moving to the campus. हाँ वो दिखाने के लिए. This is our guard room, and our guard is Mr. Mishra ji. Morning, all the living steps during the COVID-19, just like all the precautions and hand sanitizers and face masks, we are taking care of all the precautions. Okay. At first, the write down of our name. This is the generator room. The electricity provides 24 hours in our school for our students and the working staffs also. This is the connecting road from the main gate to the school building. You can see also both the sides of our connecting road, different types of planted by our school management, just like palm tree, asoka tree, and flowering plants also. It's all make a lush green area to the school environment, which make a conducive environment for all the children and all the staffs. We get each and every day, each and every moment healthy and fresh air. Now we are going to in our assembly area. Now we are in the assembly places. Here we conduct each and every day morning assembly along with our students. Our students is very well disciplined and having the leadership skills also assembled in the playground and take care all the rules and regulations of CBSE norms and school norms. Now we are moving to playground area. Morning. Here our students play kabaddi. There is our PTA sir. Here our students play badminton. This is the volleyball area where our PTA sir is standing up and okay. Now we can see our pakka boundary wall surrounded in each corner of the school campus. a great support of our school management, exclusively install the PlayStation for our junior students. From here, we can see the back sides of our school campus. This is the enlarged, surrounded back sides, boundary wall, pakka boundary wall. We can see also there is different types of. We take care all the safety norms, just like challenging time, novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 spreading worldwide. As per the government rule, we take care, we school campus, all the safety norms, just like the facing mask, sanitizer, temperature screening, fire buckets. Now we are moving towards the main building of we can see the first add box here, fire extinguisher, suggestion box for parents, for teachers, for students. If they have any doubt, then drop out for suggestion box. This is the notice board of our administrative areas, the keys to fact success, the different types of notification hang on tagged with the notice board, and then our students aware of each and every day during the learning session. This is principal office. Now we are moving in the office. This is principal office where all the documents having there. Each and every day, each and every students have the power, have the passion, have the skills, have the knowledge, and to make the difference. So we are here. This is also part of the cabin, the principal, the CCTV cameras are also here, the monitoring and observation for the school. When principal sitting there here, then they observe all these things, all the safety norms, and all the classroom teaching aptitude and activities also. Now we are moving towards the account office. Morning, sit down. Thank you. Now again we are moving towards our Honorable Director Sir office. Now we are moving into the classroom area. You can see the fire extinguisher every corner of the school, where the important areas installed differently by fire. So fire extinguisher, hang on. You can see here the CCTV camera. Now we are moving towards the class first. This is the class first where our kids study, and the CBSE always stated that the class first standard we deserve such types of activities, just like the many poems, the introduction of numbers, the naming of fruits, the naming of flowers also. In the class first row, a fully well equipped, a smart class, we process extra marks. Through extra marks, CCTV camera also tagged in the class. Now we are entering the class of 8th.
विषय हिंदी, हिंदी व्याकरण, संज्ञा या सर्वनाम शब्दों की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द को विशेषण कहते हैं। एक बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं, संज्ञा या सर्वनाम शब्दों की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द को विशेषण कहते हैं। बात है यहाँ पे संज्ञा, संज्ञा किसे कहते हैं? किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या भाव के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं। अब यहाँ पे सर्वनाम, सर्वनाम किसे कहते हैं? संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयुक्त किए जाने वाले शब्द को सर्वनाम कहते हैं। मैं एक उदाहरण बता रही हूँ आपको। बनाया है आपको, दिया है वह फूल पीला। स्कूल की विशेषता क्या है? स्कूल की विशेषता क्या है? यह फूल पीला है। क्या है? यह फूल पीला। मैं आपको सुना रही हूँ, वह फूल पीला है। यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, यह फूल पीला है। इस फूल की विशेषता क्या है? यह फूल पीला है। यह फूल जो हो जाएगा संज्ञा, पीला जो हो जाएगा विशेषण। ठीक है, इसके बाद से मैं आपको एक बार और रिपीट कर रही हूँ।
Now we are entering into the class 7. Now we are moving towards the class 9A. This class is also installed by the smart class through extra marks. Now we are moving towards our class 10B.
That is called carbon combination to taking class. One is saturated hydrocarbon and second is unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is the meaning of saturated hydrocarbon? The meaning of saturated hydrocarbon, those organic compound which contain and is also known as alkane, in which alkane represents the number of carbon equal to 1. C1.
Now we move the bottom areas. This is stops. you can see the boys toilet here. Now moving towards the boys toilet. This one is urinal area. This is girls toilet. Now move towards the toilet area. You can see again, we can see the toilet. This one is also a toilet for girls. We can see. Now we can see our drinking water area. Our school always take care of the sanitation process. Here installed RO system and freezer also. Cold water and normal water be available here during the school period. Now we are moving towards on the first floor. Now we are standing on the first floor. We can see the many surveillances just like CCTV cameras also tagged here. Now we are moving towards the computer lab area. The stock registers of the computer lab here we can observe. Now we are entering in our staff room. Morning, very morning. This is our staff. The fire extinguisher hanging on the wall. Now we are moving towards in our library areas. Library where our students learn more and more. Where any doubts, then come to this area and doubt clear. We can observe, we can see the bookshelf number 1, where the book number is also shown. self second. Book number is shown also here. Book shelf number 3. Number 4. Here you can see bookshelf number 5. You can see also bookshelf number 6. Now we come to the nearby of our magazine. We different types of magazines, just like Wisdom, Current Affairs, Vigyan Pragati, Current Affairs, Yojana, Voice of, and other exclusive topic special. Here we have different types of daily newspaper, just like Dainik Jagran, you can see Amar Ujala, The Hindu, and the Times of India. This is our silent zone in the library. We are moving towards the silent zone. Here our students see and clear their doubts. These are the library register. We can see now we are entering in our chemistry labs. Now we can see the different types of equipments here, just like optical glass, digital glass, dropper, test tube holder, SS plug, and that glass, filter paper, wash bottle, measuring glass, and brutal, keep apparatus, test tube. Here different types of equipments is done. They are practical. These are the chemicals bottle. You can see chemical and salts. These are also chemical and salts bottle. Now we are entering into the activity room. This is our activity room where the students of our school play and develop their skills to harmonize and the melodious songs, melodious art also. if you want to play, you can play this. Right? Huh? Now we are entering in our physics lab. You can see the spirometer, battery eliminator, optical bench, periscope, freeze, magnifying glass, quarters, rheostat, PNP, NPN transistor. Now this is just box. This one is physical balance. PN junction diode. This is Department of Science Stock Register Physics Lab. You can see ballistic galvanometer, ammeter, potentiometer, meter scale, Gallium cell, and U magnets also. Now we are entering into the bio lab. Here are the flow chart, human eyes. All the distribution are labeled in the human eye flow chart. This is my bio teacher during this time in bio lab. Diagram of circulation in our body, blood vessels and blood near his nose, ear and the throat. In this flowchart, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. We can see main reproductive system, all the metabolic system and the we can see the models, DNA model, binary fusion, tongue, brain and human heart. Then we can see also analogy of wings. These are the specimens, just like jellyfish, the snail, liverwort, starfish, earthworm, leech, and the of silkworm. We have
Three types of microscope present in our bio lab, which always assist to observe the microorganisms. Just like binocular microscope is here, and many slides and cover slips, hand gloves are there too. Now we are entering our wellness room. This is our wellness room. When the students feel any sickness, then they stay here and be careful to take precautions, and the many types of medicine are available here. This is the drinking areas on the first floor. This is our toilet area on the first floor. This one is boys toilet. We move into the boys toilet. This is urinal area. This is also a part of the letter. Now we can see we have a 3 vacant room for upgradation of 11th class. Now we move into the vacant room. This is the vacant room number 2 for the upgradation of senior secondary level. This is the vacant room number 3 for the upgradation of senior secondary level. Now, now we are entering into our sports room. This is our sports room, a sports play, a vital role to maintaining physical and emotional, and all. We can see the sports person and different games in our personality, just like Mary Kom, Sania Nehwal, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, PV Sindhu,
just like wickets and all equipments are available here. This is the player of chess. This one is also chess table. This one is table tennis. This one is carom board. This is also carom board play. Our student view of our ground. Excellent. You can also see the boundary. We are taking now the aerial view of our ground. Now I am showing the documents of the know-how BIOS virtual inspection. Okay. These are the DO certificate. This is affidavit. This is NVC. These are the DO certificate. This is affidavit, first page. This is NBC. This is fire certificate. This document is self-assessment A to H CBSE norms. C self-assessments part D. This one is self-assessment part E. Self-assessment part F. Self-assessment part G. Self-assessment part H. All the self-assessment part A to H are available here. As per SOP of DROS, I have shown all the documents and all our infrastructure of the school. If I have done any mistake during such a period, then you will pardon me. I hope we will meet on virtual inspection on 22nd September 2020. Namaste, sir, and namaste, ma'am.